Hello musicians! Welcome back to Guitar Guru channel. I'm Andy and today I want us to talk about customization for your guitar case. To make it cool, if you have a cool custom shop guitar, I'm pretty sure it deserves cool case. You see, some cases have decals or even imprints like on this Fender case, and it's easy to distinguish between cases. If you have multiple PRS, Ibanez, Gibson, Fender guitars, you can tell which one is which, right? But unfortunately, contemporary custom shop guitars, like Fender and Gibson especially, what they do nowadays is they leave the customization part work for you. So you're supposed to customize it, right? The case is gonna come completely blank. So this is a Fender, pretty nice case, but if you have multiple Stratocasters, it's gonna be hard to distinguish between them. Now let me show you Gibson Les Paul case, contemporary custom shop. Again, completely blank. The only little metal plate that tells it's Gibson custom shop is right here, but it's not visible, right? Again, if you have 2 or 3 Les Pauls in similar cases, you will need to open each of them to understand which guitar is in which case. Hence, I was trying to find a way to customize, to personalize each of my cases, right? I have 15 guitars right now in my collection, and it's getting hard to distinguish between them and to know where each particular guitar is at. So I bought this fragile AF decal, which I'm pretty happy with, and Gibson Custom Shop. So I've been experimenting with different sizes, and this one worked best so far, and I can tell that it's glued very tightly and very well, and it will take a lot of time, if ever, to remove this decal from the surface of the case. In other instances, when I was buying decals and stickers online, and even at Guitar Center store, problem with these decals, they peel off. Alright, some of them are thicker or thinner, but in most cases they're designed to be put on a car bumper. But you see, car bumper is very smooth, so anything would stick to it well. But guitar case is not even and not really smooth surface. You need a special decal to get a hold onto the surface well. So far I found only one company that works pretty good, and it's called Nice Decal Company. Comes in this pretty neat box and comes as a roll. Technically it will be rolled like that, and then you simply straighten it out. You can customize color, you can customize size of it. Let me first show you how to customize and how to make an order of these decals, and then we'll try to apply it to the case just the way I did for this one on Gibson Les Paul Custom Standard case. So this is the nicedecal.com website, and if you're looking for guitar case decal or sticker, you go to search and type your guitar brand, let's say Gibson, right? In here you will see different types of decals or stickers you want to order. For example, you want something like I ordered Gibson Custom Shop. So you click on it and you see how many colors you can choose from. For example, you want a white one. So you pick the type of color, and either it's matte or gloss. You see, let's say I want matte. Then I go to the size. And here you just measure the part of your guitar case where you want to put that sticker on. And let's say it was like 12-inch. It instantly tells you how much it would be. So size is totally customizable. It's just for bigger size, you pay a little bit more. For 12-inch long Gibson Custom Shop sticker, it will be $8. So you click, and they also tell you if you buy 2 decals, you get 1 free. So actually it's pretty cheap. I bought 4 and I saved a little bit on that purchase. It comes in this box that I showed you. You can also share a custom request. All right, maybe you want to modify a part of it, or you want to customize it additionally. You can put your request here, but you cannot mix colors, as they say on top. But if, let's say, a specific size is not available among the drop-down menu sizes, you can request a specific certain size for your decal. And then you simply add it to cart. Exact same way you can do it for Ibanez, PRS, Gibson, and then proceed to check out. Technically, you know what to do after that. You will receive it as any parcel that's coming from, let's say, Amazon.com. All right, other than that, it works similar way. I believe the delivery was 3 to 5 business days. Now I'll show you how to place this decal, this sticker, on a Gibson Les Paul case. So I'll be using the white color decal on a black surface of the case to create the biggest contrast between colors. Make sure you start peeling the top layer of this decal so it looks like this. So do it slowly and make sure that the actual decal is on this transparent part, all right, of the film. So the blue part should come out clear. Once you have your decal on a clear film, you will try to position it properly against the guitar case. I would suggest to have a soft towel to smoothen the decal against the body of your guitar case. Now take a small soft towel, put it in the microwave, make it hot, warm, and press against the case to make sure the glue melts on this sticker a little bit, and it will be attached better to the surface. Well, the final result is like this. It was not easy to apply on this particular surface because it's a leather pattern surface. But with the help of a blow dryer, you can straighten the sticker and you see, make it go imprinted into this leather pattern. So you can see the grains shining through the actual sticker, through the paint and glue. So yeah, that's how it works. That's it for today. Find links for all the supplemental materials and stickers in the description for this video. Comment, like, and share, and maybe even share your thoughts or your experience. Maybe you found something better that is sold at nicedecal.com. Now you can customize your cases and make them look cool. And until next video, God bless and take care.